So now, moving forward, we are going to create the menu of our restaurant. For that purpose, we might use an item gallery with more than 2000 items created by default. It is important to know that each country will have its own items gallery. So we need to press import menu. 1 second. Well, first of all, we need to create a family name, which could be, for example, drinks. And now we can create we can import this menu from the gallery. Okay, we are going to select restaurant. And here we have the drinks family. For example, we are going to add cola, Fombella, Fanta Orange, and Nestea. Okay, if we edit these items, we can put them, we can configure them the price. By selecting here, we can select all of them, and by fixing the price to the first one, we will fix it for each one. There's also the option, well, we will see later that there's the option to just configure one by one. Okay, I'm going to accept. Okay, and we already have the items in our sales screen. As well, I forgot to mention that we can also fix the cost price for each item. So I'm going to select each of them, and we're going to fix the same price for each drink. And as you see here, we can see the profit of each item. Okay, now I'm going to create a new family, which will be salads. I follow the same process as before. I select items from gallery, and here I'm going to select the family salad. I will add, for example, 4 salads, and by pressing edit items we can edit the price. In this case, I'm going to set different price for each salad. In this case, 8, 7, 650 and 750, as well as the cost. As you see, different margin for each salad. As you see here, we have, one new functionality in this new version. Before, we just could create the items by editing and creating new items from the top bar of this menu, but now we can create it from the same sales screen. As you see here, by pressing this plus sign, we can create a new subfamily, new item, or directly get one item from the gallery. Now I will create the item manually, and I will select, for example, Greek salad. Hold on, please. It seems that the emulator has been stuck somewhere. And as maybe you may know, we can pick the picture from this item from internet. So by pressing here, image from internet, we are going to Google it, and we can pick here, making one long click over the picture. For example, let's select the first one. Making a long click here, okay, we automatically take the picture from Google and we have it in our Hyopos. As well as, well, by selecting the item, we can change the price, and here we will fix it 860, right? Well, this salad family, for example, will need to be prepared in kitchen. This means that we need to associate to the cold kitchen situation in order to receive it in kitchen and therefore prepare it. To do that, we should edit items and press over the printer selecting the cold kitchen situation. So by pressing on the bottom, we have one tab which has the printer icon, and here we are going to enable all our salads for the cold situation, and we should accept. As you have seen, we have 9 different kitchen situations available when we create our business from zero, from the start, as we have seen today. Now, finally, I'm going to create a new family, which we will be mentioned pasta. Okay, and we are going to add new items from gallery. And here we will add, for example, lasagne, macaroni, and ravioli. We're going to edit items. We will put the different price for each one. And 13. Here, in this case, we are going to associate these items with the hot kitchen situation in order to print it in another printer from kitchen, or display it in another high screen or another kitchen screen in kitchen. Right? So that's finished. The last family that we are going to create is meat. We follow the same process. We're going to add beef, entrecote, rabbit, and roast chicken. Okay, we're going to edit items in order to fix the price. And we accept. Well, also we have to configure the kitchen situation by pressing or by associating the hot one. Okay, it's done. Okay, once we configure our families and items, we have to